Hello everyone and welcome to your 6th tutorial for Zbrush. And this is where we're going to learn about how to make a movie in Zbrush. Actually, it's a very fun topic. So I'm going to show you how I do something like this. So basically it's just showing like the process or like how from start to finish you can show in Zbrush. You can export the movie actually and show your process from beginning to end. Of how you created the model and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how you can do something like this. This is for one of my projects. I think this project, I don't remember what's the number, but it's really fun. So you can do this in ZBrush and it's something really cool. And I thought since we did last time this whole deformation thing, now this is not our final product or final 3D from last time. This was actually done for the Arabic version of the same lesson, but it will work either way. Now, creating a movie in ZBrush is really easy. If you can see here, this is the history that ZBrush has for your project. So if you just go back, you can see that it will show basically all of the things you've done from the beginning. So we started with the sphere and then we did, moving forward, we did all these changes and deformations and all our mirroring and all these things. So it actually documents basically everything you do in ZBrush. And this is really useful because then you can make a movie. And if you go here, you can see we have a menu called movie. If you click it, you're going to see like a lot of options. First thing you want to do, I'm just going to show you guys, the important things basically. You want a large window, obviously, large movie size. If you do full window recording, it's going to record everything, including the menu. We don't want that. We just want the document only. So basically only this one here. Okay. The next thing you want to do is, I usually don't play with the modifiers that much, but there's something called an overlay image and a title image. Okay. So the thing with the overlay image, I don't know if I can show you now. I would suggest, if you don't want to have any of the ZBrush logos in your movie, then what you can do is click on overlay image and make the opacity, because it will show a logo, which I really don't like, to be honest. If you just make it 0, then we don't see it. And also the title image, put them both to 0. Because if you don't, you're gonna have the logo of ZBrush basically just in your video, which is something I hate. So I mean, honestly, I would just say, like, you don't have to understand much. Just say overlay image opacity 0, title image 00, and then you can just have your 3D with the document saved without any logos of ZBrush in it. Now to create a video or a movie, all you have to do is click movie, and something here says B history and F history. So B history is record backward history. If you're at the end of the model, you want it to record this way, then you do record backward history. What you can do is also do forward. So if you just click on the first one and then you go movie, you can say, okay, I want you to record forward history. So start from the beginning of like where you click and then just record it moving forward. So now if you just say, if you click on it, it's forward history, you're gonna see that it says here recording. So now when you record it, it will just show you from the beginning to end. If you do backward, then it's gonna show you, but like in reverse mode. So really, it's really easy to make a movie in ZBrush. Now that you're done, you're like, okay, where's my movie? All you have to do is click movie and hit play movie, but make sure you have the edge clicked on because you want it in high quality. So let's say play movie. Now I'm just playing the movie for you. Oops, okay. We didn't do much. That's why I don't see it that much. But let's say you want to do backward recording. Just click it. And as you can see, it goes backward. You know. I think I want to show you how it looks like with the logo because honestly, I was just like, you don't want the logo, so I don't want to see it. But I will show you if you want the logo of ZBrush in your movie, then I'll show you how it looks like. Just go, click movie, hit play movie. And the cool thing is like, whatever you do with the recording, it will put it all in one movie. So here, like, because we did record forward and record backwards, then the movie was backward and forward at the same time. So if we do this, I think this was like 0.25, if I'm right. This one also was 0.25. And the overlay image, I'm not sure how much it was to be honest, so let's say 0.3. Now if you play movie, you're gonna see that it shows you the logo of ZBrush, which I don't. And yeah, and also if you do movie and you say, and also like you cannot, I mean if you delete it, then you're just gonna delete all the recording things you've done. I'm gonna show you if we did the window, so we just delete the movie, hit yes. Cancel, let's see. If you say want window, and let's say you want to movie forward history, I'll show you the difference between if you're recording a window and if you're recording a document. So let's see, if you do movie, hit play movie. See, we have even all the, okay, let's just close this. Go to movie, play movie. Okay, well basically, you're just seeing the entire menu being recorded. Now if you want to export this movie, now I'm just gonna delete it because I don't like, you know, having the logo. I don't want to see the title image or anything. Okay, so we're just gonna do one backward history. Ah, wait, that was a window. Okay, I'm sorry. We're gonna have to do it again because I have to change it to a document. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward way to create movies in ZBrush, which I think is really cool if you want to document the process. I'm gonna delete it. And we're going to document large, make sure the title image and the overlay image is 0. And we're just going to do one forward history so I can show you that, you know, you can save it easily or how to export it. Oh, and also one thing, you can actually change the material, and then when you do a movie, it's going to show it with the new material. So I'm just going to show you something. So let's say I want it now, and maybe this one. If I do movie backward history, okay, now when I do movie and I hit play movie, you're gonna see it's gonna show me the first one with the first material and the second one with the second material. So whatever change you do and you create a movie, it will show the same thing that you changed. So I think that's pretty cool. Anyways, if I want to export this movie, I would just click movie and then go to export. Make sure the H is highlighted, which is export highest quality. And now I can just save it as a movie. So we're just gonna, I don't know, red sphere movie. Hit save. I'm just gonna give you one last preview of what you're gonna see. Now make sure to document, not window, because window you really render everything around it, like including every button you press. So yeah, this was it for this tutorial. It was very easy. I'm sure a lot of people are wondering how do I do my movies when I do my when I show my projects, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this was a very quick tutorial. There was not much to explain except like everything these are important with the overlay and the title. Like make sure to, you can also save the movie, but usually I just don't save. I just do the export and I end it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.